In front of me is Oppo A54s, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, and that's the quickest method to find those numbers, which is entering the code *#06#. And here we've got IMEI numbers. Click on OK to close it. And now you can also locate IMEI numbers via settings. You will find there also serial number of yours. So just go to the settings, scroll all the way down and pick About Phone. Now select Status, where you can find both IMEI numbers and also serial number a bit lower. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.